Hello friends, hope you guys are having an amazing day so far. Yes, so this video is going to be kind of fun. I'm gonna show you guys, my hair is a little crazy. It is 3:30 in the afternoon. And whenever I hop on here, which is usually around this time to do my Bible study with you guys, this is when I put makeup on. I don't do it in the beginning of the day. I'm just so lazy and there's so many things I have to do. There's a million things that I have to do in my house. So whenever I sit here to do these Bible studies for you guys, which obviously today I'm taking a little break on, I put just a little bit of makeup on, just a little something, just so I don't scare you guys when I go on like, huh. So yeah, so today I'm gonna show you just what I do. It's not the bare minimum, but it is enough to be presentable and on camera. And it's just using a few things. And if you have followed me for a while, a lot of these techniques that I'm using, a lot of these products are not new. Well, maybe one, I'll share it with you. But this is usually how I have been doing my makeup for a few years now. Like when I'm on the go or when I have to do a quick video like this, I'm like, okay, let me just do like my quick 5 minutes, well, I think it takes more than 5 minutes makeup routine. Anyways, enough talking. Let's get into it. Let me go ahead and zoom in. I don't want to zoom in. Okay, it's fine. Okay, so first things first, in the morning, I don't put on makeup, but I do put on a moisturizer, okay? The one that I use right now, I got my Ipsy Glam Plus. It's a little pricey, and I do like it, but it's 65 bucks. I think it's way too much. Just find one at the drugstore that you like, that has some SPF included in it, and you are good to go. So first thing that I do want to put on is concealer, because even though I'm not going to put on foundation, I do want to conceal a few things. I love concealer. Okay. This particular one is from Covergirl, and it is the trublend undercover concealer. I really love it. It reminds me a lot of a very expensive Tarte, the Shape Tape from Tarte. That one is like 27 bucks. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go underneath my eyes just to kind of help me in that area, smooth things out over here. And this concealer is my skin tone, so it's not one shade lighter how I usually do when I do like a glam one. This is like the color of my skin, okay? So now with a brush, I'm gonna go ahead and blend it out. And it's like if you have an eraser, it erases all those dark circles, all those unwanted spots in your face. Maybe I should use this little mirror here. Wow. The thing with this concealer, you gotta go fast because it sets pretty quickly. So, just the chin area, just those problem areas that you wanna hide. Wow. So already there is a big difference. Look at that. You see how it makes my face look more bright, more awake. I love concealer. Love it. We work fast. Look at that, guys. Oh, my brow. Okay. So now we're gonna go ahead and set it. Same brush and with a translucent powder. This one I just got on my last Ipsy Glam Plus. And it is the Tarte setting powder. What is it called? Oh, it's the Shape Tape setting powder. And so far, it's all right. We want to do this so that we don't crease underneath our eyes. Because if we crease, we will look older. We don't want that. So we're gonna go ahead and just set that concealer. All right, here we go. Okay, now for the rest of the face, if you do want to add a little bit more coverage, you can go with a powder foundation. You don't have to. I like to. So I'm going to get that with a brush. This is like a foundation brush. And just kind of work in those areas where I did not, how do you say it? Apply concealer. You can even go over the concealer so it all looks very uniform. Oh my gosh, I bought, guys, a, how do you say it? A ring light, and I forgot to turn it on. Should I turn it on? Oh, whatever. the light here is all right. Okay. So we are done with the foundation powder. You don't have to put that on, just I want a little more coverage. All right, next I'm gonna do my brows. I'm gonna go ahead and get a spoolie and just brush them. I don't have a lot of, my brows are pretty light, so that's enough. And what I have been loving lately to make my brows more natural and I can apply fast is a powder brow product. This one has tons of product in it. This is from, let's see, it's called the $1 Billion Brows. And it's okay, it gets the job done. And we're gonna go ahead and dip it into our product. I'm gonna use this guy over here. And we're gonna go ahead and fill our brows in. Just with strokes, gentle strokes. Look at that, it looks natural. And I feel like powder foundations are, sorry, I feel like powder brow products are more forgiving. So if you messed up, you could just kind of wipe it off with your finger. Voila, that was fast. Next brow. All right, our brows are done. Okay, next, we're gonna do bronzer. Y'all know how much I love bronzer, guys. Done. I get a fluffy brush, and we're gonna go ahead and just focus on our cheekbones right here on the top. Just give us some color, look like we just came back from the beach. The trick is to do a 3. Start here and down. And you don't want to stop right here. You want to just focus here and then kind of blend it out. So you don't have a harsh line right here. Now I'm gonna put some here on the sides of my nose to kind of give it a thinner effect, kind of. Some on top. I love bronzer. Okay, so next we're gonna put a little bit of blush. I'm using the Alamar Cosmetics Colorette Trio. And I love this peachy one over here. So we're gonna just put a little bit, just to add some color to our cheeks. And I'm not gonna be doing a whole lot of my eyes. So that's why it's okay for me to go a little heavier on my blush. Next, we're gonna put some highlighter, and this is the Master Chrome by Maybelline. I love this highlighter. Get a highlighter brush, tap. Just a little bit here. Lately I've been liking putting highlighter here at the apples on my cheek. Very pretty. Other side. This is like a pinky highlighter. The bridge of my nose. Right down here. Just make it look natural. And then let's see, for our eyes, we're gonna reuse our brow product and our brush, and we're gonna give ourselves a nice liner. Very nice natural liner. Again, this makeup is quick. It's meant to be done like in 5 minutes. I've been explaining a lot of this products, that's why it's been taking a little longer. All right. Lastly, we're gonna go ahead and put on some, well, not lastly, we have 2 more steps. We have mascara, which is very important. I love mascara, probably as much as I love concealer and bronzer. We're gonna go ahead and put a nice coat. All right, you see what a difference mascara makes? At this point, I will add a little more blush because I would like for it to pop out just a little more. That's it. And lastly, I'm gonna go ahead and put on a lip balm. Whoop, my hair's a little crazy. And this is from Rare Beauty. I have been liking this guy. And this is in the color Praise. I love that it's a hint of color. Well, I like it. This is more like a lipstick. I'm just saying. It says lip balm, but that's a lipstick. And that is it. All right, guys. And then now I'm just going to fix my hair. I usually just spray a little bit of water just to kind of give some more life to the curls and to kind of tame the frizz. But I like it. This is second day hair. I like it. Alright guys, so that is about it. I will link the products that I use below, but in all honesty, you can use whatever you have at home. Any mascara, any concealer, any powder, any lipstick or lip balm, any product that you have at home, you are more than welcome to use it because you are familiar with it. Obviously, you like it and it complements your skin tone and all that. But either way, I'll put the products that I use below if in fact you guys do want to check them out. I love that it's quick, it's easy, you look put together, kind of, right? Better than I did before. And if you do this quite often, I'm telling you, you can get it down packed to doing it like in 5 minutes. All right, so that's about it, guys. Thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget, our hope in life and death is in Christ Jesus. Stay tuned for a few messages from myself. I love you all, and I will see you on my next video. Bye. Hey friends, thank you so much for taking the time to watch my videos. It really does mean the world to me that you take time out of your busy schedule to check me out. So thank you so much. I have a few messages to share with you guys. They won't take long at all, I promise. So number 1, I accept prayer requests. There's a list that we have here at my house that me and my family pray for every single day. So if you have a prayer request and you want us to add you to the list, just go ahead and contact me. You can leave a comment below, or you can email me or contact me through any of my social media platforms, and we will go ahead and add you to that list. Number 2, if you are on Instagram or Facebook, you should totally be following me. Why? Because I post a lot more content there than I do here. I share with you guys just my everyday life, pictures of my kids, recipes, what I do on the Insta stories, and all that good stuff. So if you are there, go ahead and follow me. And number 3, if you are not already part of this family, go ahead and subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that every time I upload a new video, you get notified. We have so much fun here. I post videos on my life, I do vlogs, I do makeup reviews, I do recipes, and also I do Bible studies. So if you're interested, go ahead and join our family. We would love to have you. Alright guys, so that's about it. That was nice, short, and sweet for you guys. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget our hope in life and death is in Christ Jesus. Love you all, and I will see you on my next video, Lord willing. Bye!